Guys, we are off on an adventure and I'm surprising Aaron, and I'm not going to tell him where we're going. It's going to be a surprise. Let's go order our Uber and off we go. Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. Hey guys, so breakfast is good. As you can see, almost done. So me and Aaron were just talking, and I asked Aaron, what did I ask you?
What I want to do in Florida today.
And
My
what?
answer is like just spur of the moment. Just do it.
Okay guys, so we are going to do something spur of the moment. We're going to bring you guys along with us on our adventure, and I'm going to surprise Aaron with something. Who knows? I like adventurous things, so watch out Aaron, be careful what you wish for. So we'll see what we're going to do today after we get to our hotel. Our meeting area is at 7:30 this morning because we have faster to the fun guys. We're going to be off this ship a lot quicker. So we'll see what time we actually get off the ship, and we're going to catch our Uber at it.
Everybody that's made your trip extra enjoyable.
Bye.
Make sure you put their name down when you fill out your feedback survey. When you get home, it does mean a lot to all of our team members on board.
That's the fastest. That is the fastest ever.
Cheers for now.
Fourth cruises. Alright. Guys, we are off the ship. Port Everglades has it going on. Let me tell you, we were on in 10 minutes and off in 3. Now we're going to go through Border Protection and Customs and off to our hotel. Guys, we are off on an adventure and I'm surprising Aaron, and I'm not going to tell him where we're going. It's going to be a surprise. Let's go order our Uber and off we go.
I'm ready.
Alright, let's go order an Uber.
Alright. Where are we going, dude?
I don't know. We'll see. It'll be an adventure. Uber or Lyft is on the way and we are off on our adventure. Are you excited, Aaron?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. I don't know what kind of adventure it is. He won't tell me.
Alright, we'll find out shortly. Bye, guys. Our destination in Aaron.
He's a little freaked out.
The cat is out of the bag and we are at Florida coast to coast helicopter rides. So me and Aaron are going to go take a ride of the coast and over Port Everglades today. You ready?
I'm ready. You never want to go behind because you have the tail rotor there. It's spinning pretty fast. And we don't want you guys to walk in there because people already literally lost their heads, even insiders, not here but in general.
Okay.
So even if the blades are not spinning, we always want to go by at the front. Then, as we're flying a lot along the water, we have pop-up floats here, so if we have to land on the water for whatever reason, we can pop them up. So please do not step on them. Also do not step on those big vents here. Then, very important, how do you get in, how do you get out? You get in, close the door, so it goes down and to the front, and then you can open it. And to close it, it's just the other way around, the back and up. Even more important, how to do that from inside. So you have this handle here. To close it, you bring it back and down. Now it's closed. You could lock the door with this here, but we don't do that. Because if you have any kind of trouble, we need to land, nobody can help you out of the helicopter from outside. To get out of the helicopter and to open the door, this here goes up and to the front. To climb in, don't grab, you put your hand on the door, you can put your hand here or here, and then the inner leg goes first and then the other leg. The seat belts are the same like in the car. You open it like this and you close it like that. Pretty easy.
Okay.
It out in the helicopter, so we are using headsets. It's not very complicated, you just put them over your ears And important is the microphone needs to be very close to your mouth, otherwise we might not be able to hear you. You can adjust the volume here on the side, if it's too loud or not loud enough. Just in case, if you don't like our flight style, we have a feedback form that you can fill out.
Barf bag.
No, just in case if you feel scared to wait or you don't feel well, whatever, just let us know anytime.
Did you take it?
Always go back.
We'll be
Don't-
fine.
Yeah, don't wait. Most people, if it happens, they are too shy. Don't wait. Just let it.
We don't smoke.
Mats will have to use our fire extinguisher, which is in front. If for any reason we should have some kind of trouble or emergency, just try to stay calm, let us do the job and we will bring you down safely. And if we should have to land somewhere and the blades are still spinning, always leave the helicopter to the front and approach from the front, never to the back. And when you come back, always in eye contact with us. And if we should land somewhere where it's slopey, like at the beach, you always want to go to the downhill side. Because when you go uphill, you get closer to the blades. And if they hit you, it only hurt once, but it's hard enough.
Okay.
Yeah, we will have to talk over here with the tower in Fort Lauderdale. So if I'm not reacting or not listening, maybe that's why. Or if it's too loud in the cabin, I can also isolate everybody so I can hear the tower better. So just in case, if I don't react, just tip me on the shoulder or talk with Mats. As we are flying over the water, Mats and me, we have to use life vests. And you guys can use them. At least you should have them readily available. What would you like? Wearing them or just have them available?
We can wear them too. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, you have a bit of safe and sorry.
Yeah.
So,
So then we have one for you,
one for me.
one for you. Before you put them on, I'll show you how it works. Thanks.
Germany?
And
Wow.
you, Martin? I started in 2016.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
for 2 years.
So you've been flying for 2 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
It's okay.
I started scuba diving last week.
That's good. I never did that.
And I just got certified last weekend and then dove in the Caribbean this weekend.
Oh, that's awesome. That's pretty cool.
It was fun.
ride. It is worth every penny and every picture's priceless. Oh my God, I had so much fun.
Did you expect? You didn't expect
I
it?
never expected this. No, he's full of surprises, but this is the biggest one ever. Loved it.
Wait till tomorrow.
Oh Lord.
To subscribe, share. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And remember, guys, enjoy life, make it an adventure. Alright, we're on our way back to the hotel, and then this happened, guys. Check this out.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 6. I think yeah, 6. 6 police cars.
Something happened, and we don't see no train on the tracks.
Bar. Oh my God.
So we're
Unless they're
investigating.
waiting on somebody.
This is our driver, Dorothy, by the way, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
She is cool, guys.
They're cool.
Ah, thank you. The news channel here? Channel 7?
Channel
We don't have cable at home.
You know?
No, we
Well,
just
you're
do
never
streaming.
there,
We're not
right?
home enough.
Well, there you go. That's not bad. If you're not home enough, what happens?
Well, we work. We're workaholics.
Well, there you go. Catch
Oh,
TV
look,
on
all
the go.
kinds
Oh, yeah,
of
something happened.
Yeah, I think it was the bar.
Yeah.
up.
Motorsport, say no more.
Go to figure. Alcohol was involved. They was at the bar. They got drunk.
Yep,
Got in a
the middle
fight
of the day.
when they should have been working or in school. But no, they was playing hooky.
We left.
Oh,
I never failed them, but he does. They're usually like 4.5 or.
Is it Boatyard?
Renaissance, yes.
Okay.
Our home, the Renaissance, Fort Lauderdale.
Yep.
All right, darling. This it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Dorothy, it's been fun. It was a fun
A
ride.
pleasure to
Definitely.
meet you. The
You
best
guys
lift
can
drive
ride
I've ever
with
had.
me all day. I don't have a problem with it.
Oh, this was so much
Thank
fun.
you so
You're
much.
very welcome. I love
We
those.
appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Say hi, bye, YouTube land.
Bye, YouTube land. I hope I run into these guys again. They are great.
Thank you.
And God bless.
All right, God bless you guys too. Be safe.
Bye, Miss Dorothy.
Bye.
Wasn't she amazing? She was awesome, guys. Bye. Aaron is concerned right now, and he just made a comment to me, and I said, well, tell YouTubers what you just said.
Well, we've been in the Uber now for about a half an hour, maybe a little longer, and I'm like, where the hell are you bringing me? The last sign says Coral Springs, Florida. I have no clue what there would be to do in Coral Springs, Florida. So I'm a little anxious and excited at the same time.
Well, now we're going towards Naples, right?
And then we took the Bear officers in Naples at the last second, so now I really am confused.